Welcome back to the channel. Um, Today, instead of gaming, we're doing something a little bit different. Um, as you can tell by the background, it is Pokemon themed. Um, Quite literally, it is Pokemon. I am going to be opening a booster box of Brilliant Stars. I bought this like probably about a week ago now, and I've been scared to open it. So I decided I would open it on camera and just have fun with it, you know? I'm doing this for fun, not for the content. As you can see, there's still the Pokemon wrap on it. Gonna take that off real quick. Yeah, my camera was focusing. It's always the scariest part about opening a booster box is taking off the plastic. Scariest part about it, opening anything, really. Oh gosh. Alright, I'm gonna take this off and probably take a picture or two for the thumbnail, so I will be back. Alright, I am back. Sorry about that cutoff. I have got the plastic off, and I have opened it. Let's get this focused in. Alright, so this is what it looks like when you take it from stores. I am going to be starting off with the left side. Sorry, I don't know my left from rights. Um, so we are starting off with a Shaman pack. And let's get into this. So, gosh, I'm scared. I don't know how I should be opening these. It's always scary opening up new cards. Let me tell you. Alright. I'm having technical difficulties here. Alright. Oh, these are... That's a new type of code card that I've never seen. Let's get this focused in. There's the code. If anyone is watching this actually and wants it, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay, and energy. Leaf. Got a bear. Yeah, that. Collapse Stadium. Lexio. Sock. Corpfish. Galette. Chimchow. Chimchar. Professor's Research. And the Luxray for our Think Rare. I'm not honestly sure. But yes, all of these cards, I am doing a collection of Brilliant Stars. So every single one of these cards is going into a binder slash sleeve. Alright, next up we got a Charizard pack. I do love the art style for these packs, to be honest. Honestly, I wish I had a better camera setup. Just like literally that background that you guys see right here that I'm focusing in, that is my computer monitor screen, as you can probably tell from the light levels. Sorry, I was throwing stuff up there. Alright. Nope, sorry for the camera shake. I know you guys probably aren't going to be watching this very long, if anyone does. And I'm probably only going to do 5 packs in total. Maybe a bit more, because I don't want to make this like a really long video. Alright, there's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. So we got started with a lightning energy, a trainer, Kindler, Prime Club. Sorry if I'm butchering these names. I grew up with Pokemon. That's what got me into the love of the cards and collecting them. But I do butcher their names quite a lot. Alright. And a Moltres. Hollow. Alright, let's get these off to the side. And with our first Arceus pack of the box, let's see what we can get going with these. Alright. Not looking. So I do like the way that they've done these new cards. I don't know if they still have the same effects, whereas the white ones are supposed to be better. Also, sorry if my fingers look horrible. I actually just got done working on my car or my truck not too long ago. And yeah, washing your hands doesn't always get everything out. Alright, so we got a fighting energy. Just looks close to the same. It's the last one. I hope it's in focus all the way. Reverse hollow. And yeah. Alright. On to our next pack. I'm always scared opening these up. Alright. And there's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. We got Fire. Cynthia's Ambition. Torkoal. Double Turbo Energy. Alright. We got Spiritomb. Purloin. Milcery. Shinx. I've never seen this Pokemon before. I don't know if this is a new one, or maybe it was part of the new gen that I didn't play. Going to be honest, because I have played literally every Pokemon game except for one, the one that came out before Legends of Arceus. Torkoal for our reverse, and a Flygon for a, I believe, regular rare. Let's set that off to the side. How many is that? 4 packs so far. Alright. We are back with Shaman art. I'll probably have it at 10 packs per video. I think that's fair enough. So you guys, I think there's 30 something packs, so you guys should be seeing this in 3 different parts. Yeah. Alright. Here is the card. Here is your code. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright. Psychic Energy. Cynthia's Ambition. Torkoal. Double Turbo Energy. Spirit Tomb. Axu. Again, the one that I've never seen before. Got a Magmar. Railu. Lapras for a reverse holo. And a Simsear V. That is our first V pull of the box. So, I definitely get him sleeved up. Alright. So we're back to a Charizard art. You know how awesome it would be to pull a Charizard? I've only had one Charizard card out of all of my years of collecting. And it was, I believe, Charizard Mega Y version. Because, you know, the 2 versions of Charizard. X obviously being my favorite, but not the one that I pulled. Alright. So, there's the code. Sorry, I'm slow on that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. We got water. Grotile. We got berry. Clang. Burmy. We got sock. We got Cherubi. Railu. Starly. Ooh, I love this art for Jolteon. This is honestly probably my favorite art for a Jolteon that I've ever seen. Wow. And a Tornado. I can't pronounce them. I don't mess with those legendaries because I don't care. But I do really love this card. Just wow. Alright, I will get that sleeved up really quick. Wow. Alright, and to another Arceus pack. Alright. here is your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. I believe Dark Energy. Grotile. Berry. Clang. Shroomish. We got a Piplup. We got a Turtwig out here with all the starters. Got a Sneasel. Clink. A Reverse Hollow. Whatever, I don't remember how to pronounce this. And a regular Hollow Torterra. Alright. I'm enjoying the pulls so far. How many are we at? How many packs is that? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this pack was 7, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 7. Alright, so we have, I believe, 3 more packs to do. Alright, so these will be the final packs for today. Get them focused in. So I'm going to save the Shaman pack for last because Shaman's an awesome legendary Pokemon. Is it legendary or is it mythical? I don't know. I will have to search that up and put that in. I'll have to answer my own question in the video. If I can stop struggling with these packs, I will be happy. Alright, so here is your code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope I did that right. Alright, and energy. Another dark. We got Floatzel. Sneasel. Corphish. Magmar. Spirit Tomb again. That's like the third or fourth one. We got a Burmy. Reverse Hollow. And I believe a rare. Alright, save that pack. Alright, we have 2 packs left. So let's see what we can get out of these 2. Hopefully something good. Something for a great thumbnail, you know. Or maybe something that will at least keep my hopes up. I'll be happy if we don't pull anything not amazing. Just because I know we can. We still have like 20 something more packs. So here's the code. 2, 3, 4. Toss those up front. Alright, we got a Leaf Energy, Foxor, Cafe Master, a Gabite, Halucha, another Magmar. Love that art, by the way. Staryu, a Reverse Hollow Gibble, and a regular rare. This guy. I don't remember how to say his name, so I'm not going to try because I don't like butchering stuff. Alright, down to our last pack for the night. The nice Shaman art pack. So let's see what we get. I'm excited. I'm excited to open these in general. I've been putting this off for way too long, trying to build up the confidence. I paid $130, I think, for this box. So, alright, here is the code card. Figured I would get that out of the way right now. Wow. Looking at this, instead of having an energy, I have a V-Star card, which I've actually never seen before. Probably something new with the Brilliant Stars in general. Yep. Got a Cafe Master, a Gabite, a Gible, Trapinch, Cast Form, got a Reverse Hollow Snorunt, and a Haxorus Rare. Alright, well, that was the first 10 packs of this booster box. I hope you enjoyed, I really do. I think this video is coming out on Tuesday. So I don't upload on Wednesdays, which means come back Thursday for more Pokemon card opening. I really do hope you enjoyed. Leave any comments down below if you've made it this far about what I can do better, what I should do better. And yeah, I'll be looking forward to see what y'all say. Thank you. I appreciate it. Bye.